वेलकम टू साइंस वर्ल्ड। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है हेल्थ एंड इट्स डायमेंशन। तो चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं। हेल्थ होता क्या है और उसका डायमेंशन। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग हेल्थ का इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट्स को देखेंगे, देन उसका मीनिंग्स और उसका बेनिफिट्स, इम्पोर्टेंस और उसका डायमेंशन को कवर करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। हेल्थ हेल्थ इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट वाइटल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ्स and healthy individuals can function optimally, study effectively, actively participate in socio-cultural tasks, and lead a balanced, happy life. Good health helps a person build confidence, maintains high energy level, and foster a positive outlook towards daily situations. Health education is a fundamental requirement for building a prosperous nation as a country's strength lies directly in its health citizen. Understanding the comprehension definition of health is essential because it encompasses far more than simple absence of physical complication. Then meaning of health. The term health traditionally refers to the overall functional condition of your function body and minds. A seriously health person feels physically fit, mentally steady, emotionally balanced, and socially interactive. Then, the word health combines being fit in body, peaceful in mind, good in social life. Then, key benefits of good health. Maintaining optimal health fundamentally assists an individuals to. First point is execute daily responsibility with maximum energy and efficiency. And the second point is protect the body and remain free from chronic illness or temporary disease. And the third point is cultivate and maintains a constructive positive framework of thinking. And the fourth point is develop internal self confidence and behavior discipline. And the last point is enjoy the journey of life peacefully and meaningfully. Then, definition of health. First, according to WHO, health is a state of complete physical, mental, social well being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. And these explanations, these globally recognized definitions emphasize that fitness is not restricted solely to the non existence of clinical sickness, and individuals can be characterized as truly healthy only when all the foundational dimensions of life are structurally stable and working in harmony. Then, merits of WHO definition. WHO, the full form of WHO is World Health Organization. Then, merits provides a highly holistic and multidimensional meaning of health. Then, second, merits is promotes a proactive positive lifestyle instead of a reactive medical approach. And then, demerits and limitation of the WHO of health. Then, achieving complete well being at all times is highly idealistic and difficult to measure. And second point is health parameters constantly fluctuate across different environmentals and age brackets. And third demerits is it omits explicit reference to rituals, spirituals or emotional dimensions. And the second definitions of health according to Oxford English Dictionary. Health is the state of being free from illness or injury. And this definitions explained by mm, Oxford according to Oxford English Dictionary. This classical definitions primarily directs its focus towards the physical state of the human's body It outlines health based on three primary anchors. First is freedom from illness, and second is freedom from injury, and third is physical fitness. Then limitation. The major flaw of the Oxford definition is its narrow scope. It heavily focuses on somatic elements while completely neglecting cognitive stability, emotional balance, and social wellness. Then, five core dimensions of health. First is physical dimension, second is mental, third is social dimension, and fourth is emotional, and fifth is a spiritual dimension. Modern health science evaluates an individuals through multiple interconnected dimensions, while physical, mental, social wellness form the primary foundation. Secondary elements like emotional and spiritual states plays vital roles. First is physical dimension. The physical dimension refers to the optimal flawless operation of the biological systems, both internally and externally. It implies an active, fit body structure completely clear of pathological condition. Then, external signifies a balanced physics, healthy postures, clear skin, bright eyes, clean breath, and robust structured limbs. And internal significance is optimal functioning of organic networks, including the digestive, circulatory, respiratory, nervous, and endocrine system. Then, characteristics of physical dimension and indicators is consistent physical growth and age appropriate developments, and second is sufficient stamina, body strength, and ideal weights. Then, examples: an athlete who conducts daily cardiovascular workouts, eats whole foods, avoids processed sugars, and sleeps systematically exhibits high physical well being. And the second dimension is mental dimension. Then, mental dimensions entails the cognitive capability of think rationally, process information without confusions, make level-headed decisions, handle daily stress, and sustain a constructive mindsets. Then characteristics of mental dimensions is high concentration levels and sharp analytical capacity. And the second characteristics of mental dimension is a strong emotional control and logic driven behaviors. Then maintenance, practicing regular mindfulness, deep breathing, or meditation. And second is maintaining open communication channels with families and peers. For examples, students who stays completely calm and analytical during final examination stress, avoiding panic while answering tough papers show high mental wellness. And the third dimension is social dimension. The social dimension evaluates how effectively an individual builds, nurtures, maintains relationships with family members, friends, working peers, and vendor community. Psychologist Donalds has defined social well-being as the quantity or quality of an individual interpersonal relationships and extent of involvement with the community. And the characteristics of social dimensions is excellent communication skills and cooperative attitudes, genius respects for cultural difference and social norms, and third is healthy teamwork habits and friendly non-toxic behavior. Then examples of social dimension is an individual who voluntarily participates in weekend community clean up drives, interact politely with team members, and avoid interpersonal conflicts. Then, how to maintain? First, participating actively in community sports and events, participating active listening and respecting parents and elders boundaries. Then fourth dimension is emotional dimension, and fifth is a spiritual dimension. Emotional dimensions. The emotional dimensions especially targets the identification, processing, and regulation of feelings such as fear, love, anger, and sorrow. It ensures a person is neither overwhelmed by negative feelings nor completely detached from expressing empathy. And a spiritual dimension told us a spiritual dimension revolves around identifying a deeper purpose of human lives, establishing moral principles, ethical values, and achieving a state of inner tranquility. Then, according to Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the end of a man is to let the spirit in him permeate his whole being, his soul, flesh, and affections, and characteristics of social dimension is no, sorry, and characteristics of a spiritual dimension is a strong commitment of honesty, morality, and justice, and confessions and a structural respect for all living things. Then, conclusion of health. In summary, health is an intricate, multi layered puzzles where physical fitness, cognitive clarity, social inclusion, emotional intelligence, and a spiritual value serves as fundamentals, foundational piece. No single dimension can function effectively in complete associations. Then, every individual must take proactive steps towards personal hygiene, structures, exercise routines, a balanced diary regimes, clean hydration, and positive social engagements. Then, comprehensive health stands as an individual greatest lifetime asset and the bedrocks of a brighter futures. Then, today we have completed health and its dimensions. Then next topics covers a stretching in next video.